Okay, sitting in my car, this is the WeatherTech Sunshade kit for the full car. For the most part, blacks out really good. Most corners. It's the first time I've installed this kit, so there might be a better way to do it. The only issue I've found is the rear hatch has nothing to latch onto on the top. So there's always this crack right here. As you can see, it's sunny outside, but dark in the car. So this is what the outside looks like. Reflective side out. Keep the car nice and cool. Gonna do another walk around at night just to see how much light goes through the cracks if I have like a bright light source. Alright, currently outside the Macan. This is the rear passenger window. You can see it's not a perfect fit. Some light does leak out. That's just a reflective light from the street. Most notably is the windshield. One side seems to fit well, and then the other one I have to jam in there. So it kind of leaves this gap and light leaking out of the side over here. Try to reposition it many times, but just does not want to go. Same thing with the back window. Not a great fit on both sides. Rear quarter, good for the most part. And then the rear window, again, the top does not really seal to the top of the windshield. It's really hard. I might have to just tape it. Then but all of this light and not much peeked out. Okay, light inside the car. I noticed there's a little hole already in one of the panels. Alright, this is the WeatherTech Porsche Macan full sunshade kit. It's 8 pieces. Front windshield, rear windshield, 2 front windows, 2 rear windows, and 2 quarter windows. Yeah, did a walk around. You can see not too much light gets in and not too much light gets out if there's inside the car during nighttime. Overall, pretty happy with the purchase.